Hello friends, it's Miss Dina, and we're going to talk about boxes. Come on, let's go. Okay friends, so we are going to talk about boxes, and I have on my screen several different kinds of boxes. So let's get started. What do you think about this box? What do you think it's used for? Yeah, Miss Dina moved over the summer, and Miss Dina had lots and lots of these boxes. And so they can be used for moving things, storing things, anything like that. Let's see if you recognize this box. Does anybody recognize this box? Did anybody use a box like this morning? Yeah, this is a cereal box. How about this box? Does anybody recognize this box? Sorry, Miss Dina's getting her directions mixed up because they're the opposite in the camera. Anybody recognize that kind of box? What is it used for? Yeah, it's a jewelry box. You put your jewelry in it. How about this one? Does anybody recognize this kind of box? Maybe if you live in an apartment, you have something similar to this where you get your mail. Yes, and then this one is another kind of mailbox. Yes. All right, let's look at another box. This one, you see it has a word on it. It says recipes. Do you know what a recipe is? We talked about recipes last week when we were making biscuits. So a recipe tells you how to make something. All right, let's look at a couple more boxes. This one might be familiar to you. A tissue box. Yes, how about this one? A toolbox. And how about this one? Anybody recognize this? Some of you may have a plastic one, or I don't know, there's all kinds of things that you can use, but this is a toy box. So as you may have noticed on these different boxes, there are many different sides. So we're going to talk about the side. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides without 4, and then 5, 6 with the top and the bottom. So these are called faces. I'm going to put this on the screen. Just a second here. So face. Let me get this. And there we go. The Spanish word for face is cara. So face, cara. Okay? And these right here where you can kind of see it comes to like a point is called a corner or esquina. Okay, a corner or esquina. All right, so those are the two things that I wanted to share with you about boxes. Those were our vocabulary words. So when you look at different boxes, count and see how many faces or corners that your box has. This has How many did we say? 6 faces, and counting the top and the bottom. And let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you can count these. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a lot of corners. So you've got a lot of faces and a lot of corners just in one box. So when you look at a box, see how many faces and corners that it has. So as we learn more about boxes, we'll be learning a lot of different vocabulary words, but those are our vocabulary words for today. I hope you are excited about our study of boxes and you'll join us. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching.